Take me to a different place.
What's going on, Papa fam? It's your boy Papa React. I am back with a bang. I'm excited to be chatting to my guys again. How's everyone doing? Let me know where you're watching from right now. Get ready for a fun 5 days ahead of you. Let me know where you're watching right now. And when this drops, this is going to be a one hell of an intro. We have over 2,000 people signed up watching across platforms right now. 200 literally right now already on YouTube. This is going to go off. I'm telling you, it's one of our biggest challenges ever. This is your boy, Papa React. We see right now, we got Algeria, Toronto, Nigeria, Denmark, Bulgaria, Kenya, Shanghai, Sri Lanka. What is happening? Togo, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Web 3.0 NFT React Challenge. Let's kick it. I love that. Someone goes, love from Mars. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, it's been a while, guys. I feel the hype up in this place right now. Sweden, Brazil, Indonesia, Moldova, France, Philippines. I can't make this up. Honestly, I cannot make this up. Tokyo in the house. I've never seen so many people from around the world in one stream. This is mad. We have Niger, Somalia. This is on India, Kazakhstan, UK, Cambodia, Netherlands. God damn, guys. That's what I'm talking about. International up in this place. Okay, guys. I'm going to go ahead and break down. Firstly, I think maybe let's go ahead and give you a little sneak peek as to what you're going to be building in this challenge. So if you don't know already, I'm going to teach you how to create your own NFT drop collection, right? So you're literally going to have an amazing responsive UI, and you're literally going to be able to sign in with MetaMask. So I'm going to click sign in right now. You can see I can sign in with a wallet. So I'm going to click on a wallet, go ahead and click next. I'm going to connect. As you can see, I've signed in. It loads up the available supply in the NFT drop collection. This is all real, by the way. There's no make do here. This is a real NFT drop collection on the Ethereum blockchain. No joke. And I'm going to show you how to do everything. Right? So check this out. We've got 12 of 21. I'm going to click on mint NFTs. And as you can see here, I've got minting an NFT. So in a second, you're going to see something pop up on the screen, right? So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full screen breakdown right now. So you should be able to see in a second, we get a nice little pop-up, right? And it goes ahead and says, this NFT costs 0.01 ETH. Don't worry, by the way, this is on the Rinkeby test network. So I'm going to show you how you can actually fund yourself for absolutely free, and then you can actually test this out yourself. So we've got 0.01 ETH, click confirm, and it's going to go ahead and mint our NFT, right? I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the bottom of the screen. You guys can see this right now. Check that out, right? In just a second, this is literally going through the actual blockchain right now, and this is going to mint me an NFT. And what's actually happening here is that my wallet, so the one associated with Sunny Sangha, is minting an NFT, a one-of-one NFT from this project. And I'm actually going to be able to see it on OpenSea. So right now, this is what my OpenSea looks like. So this is the marketplace for NFTs. And as you can see, we successfully minted. Awesome stuff. So check this out, guys. When I refresh this page, I should see one more, number 12, Papa Fam 8. And wait for it. It's going to be in here. It's going to be in here. Am I in the correct wallet? I sure am. There we go. Let's check. Papa Fam. Oh, I'm in the wrong wallet. There we go. That's why. Let me log into the correct wallet. Let's go into my other wallet. So boom, going into that wallet now. Refresh. And let's see if it's come inside of my wallet. There we go. Papa Fam number 12. Bam. Officially minted into my NFT supply, right? So that's literally actually working. This all gets powered by our amazing guys over at thirdweb. So I'm going to teach you how to create your first ever NFT drop. And the whole thing is powered by Sanity backend. So you can see we've got our Sanity powering all of this. So let me know right now, smash that thumbs up if that was damn cool, right? I'm going to show you how to build everything. Do not stress. I'll explain what an NFT is. We're going to go ahead and break down all of the things which may not make sense to you at this point in time. But trust me, it will make sense once we go ahead and get to this point, right? So I can see everyone sees, somebody goes, I heard you're Kenyan. Yeah, I got heritage in Kenya. That's it. All right, so hope you guys enjoy that. I'm going to go ahead and dive into the presentation for today. So we're officially going to kick off the challenge right now. Let's go ahead and get it focused, right? So welcome to day one of the Web 3.0 NFT drop React.js challenge. Let me know right now if you're ready to enter our biggest ever challenge. And if you've ever come into any of my challenges in the past, you'll know we don't play around here. We do the biggest and best on this channel, and I make sure that I deliver every single time. So you know your boy is going to deliver. We're also covering TypeScript today. I know so many of you guys wanted that stuff, so it's coming in this video. Ifosa says, yo, Sunny, bring it on. What's up, dude? If you haven't already reserved your spot, do it now. Head over to papareact.com/NFT challenge. The link is in the description. Go ahead, sign up. That lets me and the team know that you're actually officially part of this challenge. We do have over £12,000 worth of prizes in this challenge. So I want you guys to win and get your best chance of winning. So absolutely going to crush it if you go ahead and sign up. Join the official Papa Fam Discord server to go ahead and get support if you get stuck at any point. Right? There's over 8,000 people in that server right now. That's insane. The Papa Fam's growing at some crazy rate. Join the official Papa Fam Facebook group. This is an absolute requirement. We use this to calculate your points. We've got a script which helps us out in doing this. So you have to be a part of this group. It's also a great place to find the homework links, all the submissions, everything that you're going to need, right? And also share and use hashtag Papa Challenge to win the grand prize, to help get points towards winning the grand prize on the grand finale. So if you're watching this right now, pull out your phone, snap me on Instagram, and go ahead and tag me at triple S Sanga. And then I'm going to repost you guys. I love it when you guys do it. I can see who's watching. I can see the people behind the challenge. Stay until the end, and day one, you're going to get a nice portfolio. You're going to get a MetaMask wallet, and I'm even going to give you free cryptocurrency. Yep, I said it. Free cryptocurrency is happening today. I'm literally dropping free money into all of your wallets. So it's going to be massive, right? Make sure you check it out and stay to the end. The grand finale for this 5-day event is on the 3rd of April. So make sure you stick around till then, because by turning up on each day and the final day, I'm going to give you the JavaScript ebook, which is worth 100, the official Papa Fam Next.js ebook, another 100, and our sponsors of this event, Clouch, are giving away 10 times the cryptocurrency that we gave away in the last challenge. So literally, we've got you covered, okay? We've literally got your back in this one. And we're going to be delivering a massive free training and so many more free goodies, right? Faizan, what's up, dude? I can see all of you guys. Wallison, Louise, this is amazing, guys. Let's talk about the previous challenge. Let me know if you're a part of any of the previous Papa Fam challenges. And if you were a part of those, smash the thumbs up and get this video out to as many people as possible. So much love was shared during the previous challenges, guys. I can't even explain. You guys are the ultimate source of positivity for me. It keeps my energy up. It keeps the channel booming. We're actually at 130,000 subscribers right now. It's incredible to see the amount of positivity. I try and get back to each and every single one of you guys. It's incredible. Gaurav says, Metaverse Challenge was amazing. Ken White, what's up? I see a few local faces in the house. This is amazing, guys. The Metaverse Challenge actually raised the internal Papa Fam members at Zero to Full Stack Hero to over 600 members. That's insane, right? So let's go ahead and see what some of the official members, since being part of the Papa Fam, coming through from challenges, coming through their own way. Let's see what they've achieved since they've joined us. ACOS, if anyone remembers ACOS won the previous challenge. This is what you're in for grabs at if you go ahead and work hard in this challenge. He, within a month of joining the Papa Fam, got 2 job offers, one for 25,000, one for 30,000, 2 different companies, junior front end position. It's crazy. And then we have Gabriel. Gabriel landed a 6-figure job at PayPal. He jumped in, I think it was the Amazon challenge, and he is absolutely crushing it, guys. So through coaching, through all of the stuff that we deliver inside the Papa Fam, this is the results we get. You guys must have heard of MasterCard, right? Well, with the help of the Papa Fam, Rocky Morgan absolutely smashed it and now works there. So we don't mess around. Our goal here is to get you the absolute most value from these videos, from our community, so that way you can go ahead, live the life you want, and absolutely smash it. Huan joined the Papa Fam, landed his first job, and that was actually with the help of the community. So if you ever get stuck, this is why we have Discord. This is why we have Facebook. This is why we have the internal Papa Fam community at Zero to Full Stack Hero. So amazing stuff. We have so many more jobs, right? This list can go on forever, I promise you. right? The last winners of the Metaverse Challenge, we had Akos, he won a diamond membership worth over £4,000. Osada, Ken, Shrida won platinum, and 10 other lucky winners won 50% off coupons. Stick around, I'm going to show you guys what you can win inside this challenge. Aman Janwani, Yap Yikang, what's up, dude? Let's see a demo of the build one more time, guys. I love these little animations that Jay puts on the screen. So I'm going to give you guys a quick more demo. Remember what we can do? We can go ahead and mint our NFTs. We can sign in and out with different wallets. Oh, we have a donation already. Oh, Antoine, what's up? €5. Thank you so much. He goes, hi, Sunny. I just landed a job yesterday as a French front-end React developer. Jay, screenshot that right now. He said, everything thanks to the amazing content you're dropping. I'm actually going to pull that up on the screen right now. This is literally on a live stream, proof that this stuff works, guys. I'm going to pull this up. Look at this. Look at that, man. That is crazy. He goes, hi, Sunny. I just landed a job yesterday as a French front-end developer. That's awesome, dude. Thank you for sharing that. And thank you so much for the donation. Appreciate the support. You're going to learn how to use React.js, Next.js, a bunch of other cool tech in this build. Right, so I've gone ahead and shown you a demo of it. You're going to learn all of this today. Now, remember, this is sponsored by our amazing friends over at Clouch. Right, now, if you guys don't remember the guys over at Clouch, what is Clouch? It was actually built by the Papa Fam developers themselves, and they are awesome friends, and they have basically gone ahead and built one of the best decentralized social media platforms out there. So if you're interested in crypto, Web3, this is the place to go ahead and share your thoughts and connect with the Web3 community. You can log in with any crypto wallet, whether it's Coinbase, MetaMask, Binance. You can send messages, you have your own feed, it's personalized for you, and you can connect with all of the community. And they even release something incredible. This community actually went ahead and dropped something called shops. Now, shops, let me explain what these are, right? So we all are here to make a living from this skill of coding. So what we can do with the Clouch shops now is anybody can register and open a shop in Clouch with any skill that they have, whether it's coding, design, Web3 services, literally anything. So let me know in the comments right now if you have a Fiverr account, an Upwork account, you're doing any kind of freelancing. Well, what if I told you by opening up a shop on Clouch, you can immediately reach over 200,000 Web 3.0 users active and start making an additional income with skills that you have already? That's incredible. Literally for free. And on top of that, guys, we're giving you 10 bonus points for opening up a shop as part of this challenge. So that's going to be part of your homework for today. More details on that to come. Guys, they don't finish there. They're giving you free cryptocurrency. So not only are we going to set up your MetaMask wallet today, you're also going to get free cryptocurrency inside your wallet. And it's 10 times more than what we previously gave away. You will get 1,600 CLX for literally registering. Right? And remember, if you register a shop, all the details are in the homework submission. If you register a shop, 10 bonus points are going to get awarded. So this is literally, this is the way to go. And I can see people saying, if I don't have crypto in my wallet, what do I do in this challenge? Don't stress, bro. I got you. Don't worry about it. All right. Clouch doesn't sell your data. You got complete control of your data. It's not a Facebook product. It's made by normal people for normal people. So head over to the following link to get your free cryptocurrency and register your first shop. Also, welcome Aranuva to the Papa Fam specialty. I see you on YouTube. Awesome stuff. So make sure you go over to links.papareact.com/Clouch and also check the live chat. It's going to pop off right now in the live chat. And I want you guys to go ahead, claim your Clouch account with your MetaMask wallet, which I'll teach you how to open up today. And I want you to go ahead and create your first ever shop. I want the Papa Fam to take over in that sector, right? I want to show you guys the power of the shops over in Clouch, right? All you got to do, there's a link inside of Jay's actually gone ahead and shortened it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that link right now. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on back to YouTube. There we go. No, oops, go to site. There we go. I'm going to open this up right now for you guys to give you guys a little demo of what you can go ahead and do. Right, so you want to sign up and then you want to go ahead, go over to shops, and then you want to click create shop, right, inside of Clouch. Once you're here, you've got a nice little breakdown teaching you how to go ahead and create your very own shop, and then you can go ahead and create your shop. So you can see a bunch of them here. What I would recommend is if you have a skill, make sure you go ahead and tick on the learning category, because that's what I would basically put myself up as a shop. Awesome stuff. Yeah, I highly recommend it, guys. More info on that in just a bit. Let's go ahead and carry on with the challenge day one. So let's get down to the real business, guys. Who is your instructor? Who the heck is this guy talking to you on YouTube at? You might not know me, you might know me. My name's Sunny, and you might know me as Papa React because I teach something called React.js. Right now, I made a fair amount of money by the age of 25 using this skill of React. And we built over 30 clones on YouTube, right? So let me know if you have seen any of those clones on YouTube, or if you're an absolutely brand new subscriber. And make some noise if you're a Papa Fam OG member, right? XS Pill says, hello there, this is my first challenge. I'm ready to learn. That's the kind of energy that I'm talking about. This is exactly what we're doing here, guys. Burhan says, yo, I'm blessed with amazing talent and knowledge. Thank you so much, dude. Appreciate you. This is sick. Harry Collins, what's up, man? Okay, and also, guys, if you want to learn more about, Web3, NFTs, everything else in one place, including all your full stack development, on day 5, I'm going to be opening the doors to our exclusive Zero to Full Stack Hero community, okay? So make sure you stick around, and we're going to go ahead and give you something extremely valuable, okay? So stay around, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Buckle up, this challenge is going to be intense. You're going to learn the following things, right? So get ready for a bit of tech overload right now. We are going to be learning React in this challenge. And yes, I'm going to break it down for even a beginner to understand. So don't stress. Imagine this as a free coding bootcamp. Absolutely free. You don't need any money to do this right now, okay? This is free. Buckle up. We've got React. We're going to teach you how to use Next.js, a framework for React. We're going to teach you how to use Typescript to make your app robust. We're going to teach you how to use Tailwind CSS to make your app responsive and make styling a breeze. You're going to learn how to open up your first MetaMask Wallet, MetaMask Wallet to hold your own cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Sanity CMS will be powering the entire backend, and thirdweb will be powering the NFTs. Okay. So if this is just incredible, right? Honestly, we have John Alex. He goes, I always join the challenges, but this is the first time I'm actually participating. That's what I'm talking about, John. It's so good to see you here. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button, get this video out to as many people and share this to just push the positivity, all right? What tech is going to be handling the backend? I mentioned Sanity, right? So Sanity is going to be powering this application. And this is actually the world's best CMS platform. I'm actually very good friends with these guys right now. They're actually making life so easy for me in terms of development because what they provide is of such good value. They offer the best non-developer experience. It's a friendly UI, it's very easy to use, and it was actually ranked the highest and best CMS platform in 2022. The best part about this is when you build these apps, right, you don't necessarily want your app to only be accessible to a developer if they want to make changes. You want to have your non-developers, the product owners, the managers, be able to come onto the website and basically be able to change the title, change the description. And you're in this today, in this video and in this challenge, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. All right, so I'm going to show you all of this. On day 3, we're going to implement this on the NFT drop challenge. So you can see here, we're going to actually have a lot of our NFTs aspects being controlled and the data being pulling through with Sanity CMS. They offer real-time collaboration. So you can see here, we actually have so much cool features inside of Sanity CMS. So if 2 people are changing the title, it's not going to basically be this awkward situation of you change the title, I'm going to kill you. No, it's not going to be any of that stuff. It's literally going to be, you're going to see each other's cursors like Google Docs, and you can go ahead and modify it and help each other out. So really, really fun stuff. I'm going to introduce you to Sanity Studio, my new favorite studio. This is going to be literally either on your local machine or you can deploy it up. It's just so damn powerful, and I'm going to show you all about it and explain why as this challenge goes on. And you know, I don't just leave you like that, right? I always give you something when it comes to these amazing bits of tech. So what I've done is I organized it so that you guys actually get double the free quota. So what we do is if you go to sanity.io/sunny, you're going to need to do this as part of this challenge. Then you're literally going to get double quota. Your boy Papa React sorted you out. You get all of the free stuff times 2. So it's as simple as that, right? I literally got you double everything. So tell me if that doesn't look pretty juicy, but to me, that looks damn good, right? So get your boosted plan. The link is also in the description. So when you sign up to Sanity, make sure you use that link in the description, okay? And that's going to be something that we're going to need to do as part of this challenge. Now, this challenge is literally called NFT Drop Challenge. So what the hell does that mean? Well, firstly, I'm going to explain what NFTs are. So don't stress, that's coming up. But for this NFT blockchain technology, how am I going to power it? Well, this is where our amazing friends over at thirdweb come in. If you haven't heard of thirdweb, it is the damn best platform to build Web3 apps. And I know this because I am friends with the developers and they are awesome. The guys over there are the most open, genuine dudes I've ever spoken to. And they are literally always innovating. The stuff they have coming up is incredible. On thirdweb, you're going to be able to build things like NFT collections, NFT drops, like we're going to be doing, marketplaces, tokens, voting contracts, and they support a lot of the different popular languages. We've got React, JavaScript, Python, and Go. So you guys are covered, right? All of this modern stuff, they got it covered. Now, when you build with thirdweb, it's important to know when you deploy something like an NFT drop or something like an NFT collection, it's very important that you want ownership over that, that drop, that collection. And we call this a smart contract. All that is a piece of code that now lives in the blockchain, right? So the best thing about this is when you create something with thirdweb, they give you 100% ownership over the apps you build. So you're secure in that sense. They're not taking anything from you when you use this platform. And since the launch of thirdweb, they've actually deployed over 35,000 smart contracts across the blockchain, which is incredible. So these guys have got experience. Ownership is a priority to them. Now, they're optimized for teams. Everything is about teamwork with them, right? It's easy to scale and they have advanced permission controls and royalty split modules. Now, what the hell does that mean, man? Let's say we have a massive NFT collection, right? We've got like 20 different NFTs. That's very small. But imagine we have 1,000 different NFTs or 10,000 different NFTs, and I sell each one for 1 Ethereum, right? What if we had 3 creators who helped build this NFT collection? Well, it's very easy to go ahead and say when one sale happens, give each creator just 1% of the sale. And that's very easy to do in thirdweb. You can actually do that in a very simple, slick way in their dashboard. So you can actually go ahead and customize it to that granular level. thirdweb powers apps built by venture-backed startups. So they're literally doing big stuff with startups right now. Esports teams, which is huge. Big brands and independent creators like your boy, Papa React, right? So we've got loads of stuff to look forward to with these guys, especially the fact that they just launched version 2.0. Right, so it's completely free to use now, right? So now if you use thirdweb, it's absolutely free to use. So it's up to 10 times cheaper deployments. They've revamped the dashboard. They've changed up the SDKs. So it's literally going to be a better user experience when you're messing around in the dashboard. So remember the dashboards I showed you guys before. So these dashboards right here, super easy. Look how clean this is, guys. If I want to change the settings, I go to settings. If I want to change permissions, I go to permissions. If I want to change the royalties and everything like that, you literally can do that over here. Look, I put an address in, I change a percentage, done. It's so simple to go ahead and do things like that, right? So we're going to go ahead and show you all of that, right? So as I said, it's completely free to use. So if you make money with an NFT project, you keep 100% of that, right? So you can launch your own NFTs, you can create your marketplaces, tokens, and all this crazy stuff with 0 fees and minimal coding to set it up. So that's what we like, right? It's super nice. You just have to pay gas fees on any Ethereum transfer, right? So that's a normal thing. Any blockchain will have to do it. But you can also use Polygon, Ethereum, testnets. We're going to be using a testnet in this challenge, which means that you can actually go ahead and test all of this out and not risk any money. So you can actually, for free, pump your account with some Ethereum, and I'll show you how to do that. And then you can go ahead and see if it all works. And then once it's ready, you can just push it to the mainnet, deploy the thing, and there you go. It's actually out there. Right, so I'm going to show you how to do all of this. Right, so as I mentioned before, we're going to need this in the challenge. So go ahead and join thirdweb using the link in the description. Jay's going to be passing it out in the live chat right now. Make sure you go ahead and make sure you go ahead and join the thirdweb platform using the link in the description. I was just reading something, super threw me off. Yeah, so absolutely cool stuff. Now, loads of you are saying Ethereum's expensive, gas fees, Polygon, they support Polygon. Don't stress, they got you covered. It's easy, right? You can literally choose and make your move on whatever you want. So who's ready to put in their 100% and dominate this challenge? Comment right now saying yes, I'm ready. While you guys do that, I'm gonna have a water break because that was a lot of talking. Let me know right now. Comment saying yes, I'm ready to learn Web3 NFT stuff. Right now, and I'm going to teach you. You're going to become full stack developers in this 5-day event. Honestly, this is going to be wicked. We have Sanity goes, hi Sunny, you may with you only React. No, we're going to use Next.js this one. This we go. Scott Martin, Carwin, Abshay, Prime, Super Crouch. Hey, this is what I'm talking about. There's just a little delay. Now it's coming in. Liron, there we go. Hey, Ehsan, Gorav, the bass guy. He goes, I'm ready. Let's go. All right, that's what I'm talking about. This energy is sick. Time to focus, guys. All right, time to focus. Let me know if the music's good right now. So what's the big deal with Web3, right? What the hell is Web3, right? Most of you are probably here right now. You know about development. You maybe are just trying to tinker with this stuff, but you have no idea what Web3 is or what NFTs are. So I'm going to go ahead and try and simplify this for you. Well, think of it this way, right? I'm going to go ahead and lower the volume just for a second. Web 1 was essentially the Wikipedia, right? Remember the days when we could go on Wikipedia and everyone was mind blown. Google was out there, right? You could search for something and you get information. That was the era of information online, right? So it was this sort of the age where you kind of had, you know, like these Netscape kind of weird apps like Wikipedia, Google, I won't say weird, but cool apps like Google, Netscape, all these things where you can basically find information. Web 2 came along, and this was the .com boom. This was when you had the platforms, the centralized platforms like Facebook, like Uber, like Airbnb, Twitter. And the reason why we call these centralized is because they're owned by big companies like Facebook, by Airbnb, Uber, and those kind of companies, right? Now, Web 3 takes this to another level, right? This goes ahead and decentralizes, which means that there is no single entity, for example, Facebook, who controls or owns the data. It's actually spread out in a very clever way. And this allows us to do tons of cool stuff. It allows for us to have things like DeFi and all these cool things. But I'm going to go ahead and simplify it. The stuff you need to know, right? I'm not going to try and get you in too much. But the easiest way of thinking about it, as I mentioned, information economy was Web 1. Web 2 was the platforms. Web 3 is something called the ownership economy. And now what this means is, back in the day, if I had a picture on the internet, I couldn't prove that that was my picture. You could do the typical, I'm going to screenshot and save that picture and I have it too now. Cool, right? But anyone who throws that argument, by the way, either listen or leave, right? Because there's a point that needs to be made here. When you go ahead and own an NFT, for example, a picture which is connected to an NFT on blockchain technology, right? In Web3, you're basically on a public ledger. There is a record, there is a transaction which says that Sunny owns this picture. Now, if anyone gets a screenshot of this picture, it doesn't matter because there is a record saying Sunny owns this picture. And people will say, but yeah, I can screenshot it. It doesn't make a difference. Well, somebody could take a picture of your car. It doesn't mean they have your bloody car, right? It's a very different thing to actually owning the thing that is actually out there, right? So Web3 is massive and big on NFTs. And I'm going to explain a bit more about NFTs right now. So NFTs are non-fungible tokens, right? Essentially, most of the time, they're one-of-one edition tokens. You can have more than one if you want to set it up that way. But most of the time, they're one of one, and they can be anything. Most of the time, you might have seen something like this, where you've got digital art. And now we can prove ownership of an NFT. Now, the biggest thing about an NFT, which most people actually don't understand, is that NFTs aren't just pretty pieces of art. In some cases, people do set this up and, you know, you can just buy a worthless piece of art on an NFT. So be careful. There are a lot of these going around that you know, known as rug pulls. Don't fall for that kind of stuff. Do your research. But basically, the main reason why these NFTs are so valuable in the first place is because by owning an NFT, you get access to the utility behind that NFT. So if you've ever heard of Bored Ape Yacht Club, by owning one of those apes that you might have seen celebrities buy, you get access to an exclusive group. You get access to all these exclusive parties in America and all these other places. So that's one of the additions, right? But something else, and a way that I can like to break it down is, think of a gym pass, right? Imagine when you have a gym pass in real life. So imagine I had a key card, and that key card is my key, right? I paid for that key, and that belongs to Sunny. And when I go to the gym, I press my key card and I get access to the gym. Now I've got a key card and the utility is the gym, right? So I get these two. This key card gives me a value here, right? I pay for the key card, I get this. Right? Now think of this in a digital way, right? So imagine we remove the key card and now I've got a digital version of that key card, right? And I can prove that I own it because it's on the blockchain, it's a public ledger, and there's a transaction which cannot be tampered with, which is Sunny owns this digital key card or this NFT, right? And that NFT could be used to go into the gym. And now we can prove that because we have blockchain technology, right? I'm not going to go into exactly how it all works, but this is really, really kind of massive stuff. And you just have to give it a chance and understand it, right? Well, I'm going to teach you in this challenge how to actually drop your own NFTs. So stick around. right? So yeah, so that hopefully should answer the question as to why can't I just screenshot it? Because it doesn't work that way, right? You don't get access to the utility behind it. It's very easy to verify if you're the owner of an NFT, right? So what if we were to combine Web3 tech with React and we get this massive mashup of cool stuff, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. Top companies right now are using React, hence why it's literally, I had to say this as well. Somebody goes, it's not a good financial. So yeah, I'm not giving financial advice here, right? This is literally just me just saying, you know, some information about this stuff. But anyway, top companies use React, right? So this is a reason why you want to learn this stuff. You've got Facebook literally created React. You've got Instagram, Uber, Netflix, Amazon, Cloudflare, all these massive companies using React, right? React is extremely popular amongst developers. It's literally in over 4 million websites. So the next time somebody tells you there's not many jobs that are going in React, you tell them like there's 4 million websites. If you can't get a job in one of them, then you're the problem, right? So this is why I'm telling you, there's enough demand out there. Trust me. It's the most wanted language, period. So next time you have an argument about Vue or Angular or any of these other ones, trust me, there's a reason why I spend my life doing React, because it's fun, it's powerful, it can do so much. So what have I actually built with React? Right? I built a Medium clone. You might have seen this. All of this, by the way, is free on my YouTube channel. So feel free, go watch them, go learn from them. You know, if you want the code, get the code repo. It's got all this stuff available. But you got the Medium clone. We built Spotify with React. We built Tinder clone, Instagram clone, Uber clone, Facebook clone, WhatsApp clone, LinkedIn clone, Snapchat clone, Google clone, Hoodoo clone. It's a powerhouse. You can see why, right? There is so much you can do with React. And most of the time, to be fair, a lot of the apps that you're actually using day to day are most likely either using React or React Native if it's on a mobile device, okay? So crazy, crazy stuff, right? The NFT drop challenge also has something called Next.js. So we have all the web basics. We have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's the three basically, you know, anchors at the bottom of the pyramid. Then we have a React, which sits on top of JavaScript. React allows us to build really powerful apps like you just saw. Then we can level it up even more. And then I'll give you kind of a good analogy after this, right? But we can level it up again, and you can use a framework for React called Next.js. So basically, think of Next.js like the Flash. It's just a fast, better way to use React. It's like React on steroids, right? It's a React framework, and it allows you to build really powerful hybrid apps. Now, I explain things like server-side rendering throughout this challenge. You'll literally know server-side rendering at the end of this. It's really powerful, and it's actually easy to pick up, right? So you don't have to get scared. I'm going to be guiding you along the way. You have the whole Papa fam behind you, and it's a lot better for a developer in order to build, right? I actually prefer to use Next.js than regular React by itself now. Now, why would a developer use Next.js over React by themselves? I get the question all the times, and this is why you're going to be wanting to do it, right? It has a built-in router and API. Again, if none of this makes sense, don't stress. It's all good. You're going to learn this stuff as the days go on, okay? So built-in image components. So most of the time when you go onto a website, the thing that takes the longest time to load is the pictures. So what if by using this framework, I can just cut out that step? I can basically say, rather than loading this massive heavy image, a JPEG or a PNG, compress it for me and make it a WebP format, which is, you don't even need to know what it is, but it's basically way smaller than those things, which means that it will actually load a lot faster. I don't want to have to do all this stuff. I want to use something already built for it, right? So Next.js handles all of that, and it's really, really powerful to do it. Fast refresh means you don't have to constantly go back through your user journey when you're developing. It just automatically flips and adds in the new styling when you're changing up the app. You get awesome stuff like server-side rendering. I'll explain what that means in a sec. And you get TypeScript support out the box. So who here, smash the thumbs up if you're actually excited for this one, but literally who here wants to learn TypeScript? Because you're gonna learn it in this build, and I'm gonna make it very simple to go ahead and pick it up. All right, so don't worry, your boy is always going ahead and helping you out. Right? Right, so we got a question. Frank, I will answer that, but to answer your question, Frank says, what's stopping me if I have 1,000 pieces of the same art? It's the utility behind it, Frank. I'll explain that in the Facebook group or inside of the community afterwards. Right? So imagine what you can do if you have a React, Next.js, TypeScript, and Web3 tech in a single app. Right? Imagine what you can do, right? Mr. Nobody, thank you so much. €5 donation. I'm an Angular developer who wants to learn React as well. Your vibe makes me always excited. I love Papa Fam in the house. thank you so much for the donation, and I appreciate it, dude. I'm happy I get to bring you over to the good side, right? But if that wasn't enough, all that tech, we're going to throw in Tailwind as well, right? Tailwind. So Tailwind CSS versus normal CSS. Why? Like, you're probably wondering at this point, man, I've learned all this stuff and now you're going to tell me I have to learn more stuff? Well, trust me, I'm doing it to save you a bunch of hassle, right? When you're coding with normal CSS, it can get kind of tedious, right? So Tailwind CSS makes it more convenient. You can use these special utility classes to make things, you know, easy and fast to code with. You can customize it as much as you want. And if you've ever done any kind of responsive development, what do I mean by responsive? Essentially, when we have websites and I go ahead and, like, you know, render this on a smaller screen, how did that happen? Right? I'm going to show you how you can make the apps really responsive in such an easy way. Right? It's going to be so easy. Trust me when I go ahead and show you this. So they have responsive breakpoints. You can go ahead and apply different styles based on the different screens you're going to go ahead and see. Right? And there's also a bunch of plugins, right? So here's an example of Tailwind CSS in action. So you imagine you've got this nice looking UI over here, and on the right hand side, we've got this awesome sort of, you know, code on the right. And you can see pretty much all we're doing is putting in these nice little utility classes. Yeah, and that these things apply certain styles, and you can literally get it looking amazing. So Tailwind is an absolute game changer. It's the best thing that's happened to CSS in a very long time. If those guys are watching, you guys keep doing what you're doing. You guys are incredible with what you're doing. Right? Okay, so let's take a breath, right? This is the NFT drop challenge. So we have React.js, we have Next.js, we have Tailwind CSS, we have Typescript, we have Sanity CMS, we have Web3 tech, MetaMask, thirdweb. What if we fuse them all together? We get an amazing NFT drop app, which is fully functional. That's the whole point of this challenge. That is your introduction to this challenge, right? So pretty much what we're going to be doing now is I'm going to go ahead and show you the agenda for how this challenge is going to be broken down and how we get from the point that we're at right now to that beautiful app at the end of it, right? In the process, you're going to learn so much stuff. It's going to be crazy. I promise you, I'm going to change your life after these 5 days. So let's take a look at the agenda for the next 5 days. Day one today. This is your introduction, and basically today what we're going to do is we're going to build a digital resume. So I've actually given this for free, and bear in mind that if anyone has got your own personal digital resumes, you are fine to use that and submit that as your homework as well. That's completely fine. But for anyone who doesn't have a digital resume, I'm giving you one today for free, right? So once you've built this amazing NFT app, you can stick it on this resume and apply for jobs straight away. We're also going to set up your MetaMask wallet with the Rinkeby test network. Now, whenever you have a crypto wallet, typically it's literally, you know, it's built for the actual real Ethereum, Bitcoin transactions. But what if we want to develop on and basically test things out, test payments, test this kind of stuff out? Well, there's things called test networks. So I'm going to show you how to add a test network. So that way you're not actually charging yourself real money when you test this kind of services out. You can go ahead and use fake transactions and then switch it to the real thing. Day two, tomorrow, we're going to go ahead and basically set up MetaMask login using thirdweb, and we're going to design the front end, right? So we're going to go ahead and build this screen out, and we're going to go ahead and set up a login. So you will be able to go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet to your website. And as you can see here, it will show you, it will basically go ahead and pop up saying that you are signed in to your account like this, right? So we're going to go ahead and build that tomorrow. And we're also going to go ahead and in day three, okay, it's gonna be day three. Sorry, day three, we're gonna go ahead and add the Sanity CMS backend. So this is where we pull in the backend. So we basically have this powerful Sanity CMS backend like you see here. So we can basically, any non-developer can come in, change in the information, connect the address, which is going to connect to our thirdweb and so forth. And then we're going to basically connect this to our React application, right? So it sounds crazy, but it's not. I'm going to walk you through it. It's going to be easy. It's going to be a breeze. And I'm going to show you how to do something called server-side rendering, which will essentially allow your app to basically optimize. So every time somebody comes to your web page, a server will prepare the page beforehand and deliver it. This is going to improve things like the way it ranks up on Google. So this is called SEO rankings and SEO performance. And it's going to come with a bunch of other benefits, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. All right, I'm going to show you how to basically make this easy, so that way it's not a scary bit of tech. I'm also going to set up the NFT drop on thirdweb. So you remember this one right here? You're going to see how we go ahead and set up our first ever NFT drop. And I've already prepared all of the files. So this is going to be a walk in the park. It's literally going to be a walk in the park for you guys, right? And it's going to be a hell of a lot of education in 5 days. So day 4, we're going to add the ability to mint an NFT from the website. And every single day, we're basically going to have homework. So you're going to have to basically deploy your app, submit it, and then me and my team are going to assess and see who's doing the best. And you're going to get points based off of this, right? So it's going to be this is what the challenge aspect is about. So day 4, you're going to basically be able to mint an NFT, and it's literally going to be a real minting, which means whenever I say minting, you're basically buying an NFT from the project that the user, in this case, it's going to be us, who sets up a project. You can buy an NFT out of that project, and it's a one of one, and then you're free to basically resell it on an OpenSea marketplace. So for example, after this, you can go into OpenSea and sell these NFTs, and they're literally real NFTs, right? So let's go ahead and show you the day 5, right? So day 5 is probably the most important day, right? This is where we have Elon Musk attending in his little funny Dogecoin thing. You know, I'm joking, he's not actually coming, but I wish he was, right? But here we've got the ultimate developer roadmap to success. We have over 400 people watching. This is incredible. Smash that thumbs up if you're enjoying this, right? So I'm going to show you how you can basically take all the skills that you learn in these 5 days, accelerate, and basically go ahead and land your first ever job as a developer. Whether it's Web 2 or Web 3, I've got your back, and I'm going to show you the route to success. Trust me, I have over 600 members in my community now. Most of them have got jobs, and we've got over 130,000 subscribers, and I have lost track. I swear to you, we have got thousands of people jobs right now. So I know the recipe to get this right. I've taught so many students. I know how to do this now. You're going to get a free React to Next.js book, which me and Jay put a lot of hard work and love into. That's worth £200. And you're going to get access to the Papa Fam playlist. And I'm going to be revealing something I haven't shared with the world before. So 0 to Full Stack Hero is about to get not only a grand reveal, but it's also about to get one hell of an upgrade. And yeah, that's coming on day 5, right? So stay around to day 5, and I'm going to make it worth your damn while. Right? There's a point system in this challenge, right? So remember, to get any of the points and to win one of many prizes, remember £12,000 worth of prizes, you have to be a part of the Papa Fam Facebook group. Non-members are unable to win any prizes. We use this group to basically calculate a lot of the points. So you get 1 point sending messages on any social media platform. So right now, I want you all to pick up your phone, go ahead, snap me and say, I'm part of the Papa Fam challenge, right? Do hashtag Papa Challenge and I'll be able to see your snaps, right? So I want you to tag me so I can go ahead, share these out, let the world know what we're doing here. 2 points for tagging me and using the hashtag. 3 points for helping someone with their homework. So you might have known or done this before in a previous challenge, but this is all about community. It's not about just, I'm going to become the best developer in the world. It's about, no, I'm going to be a part of this movement where us, a team, a family of developers are going to go ahead, help each other succeed and help each other overcome these obstacles when we're coding. Because the scariest thing that can happen is that when you're coding and you get stuck, you just quit. You think, I'm not cut out for this. I'm not smart enough for this. That's not true. You guys are all made. You can do this. You can work. You can become the best damn developer version of yourself that you can want. And this is why the Papa Fam is here. 4 points to refer someone to join the Metaverse Challenge or Clouch. We're calculating both here. So if you use the Clouch link, we'll be able to tally that in as well. 5 points for every single homework submission. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and submit your homework, and then that's going to basically be able to get you 5 extra points. Now, the biggest point booster is if you go ahead and create a, wait for it, Clouch shop, right? Remember I said, if you register a shop on Clouch and submit the shop link on day 1 of your homework, right, you're going to get 10 points. So basically, what do I mean by this? There is a link in the homework, right, submission where it says optional. It will say optional Clouch shop. And what you can do is, if you follow that link and create and connect to that website, Clouch, with your MetaMask wallet, create your first shop. We're going to give you 10 bonus points. And when you create that shop, you actually get a nice little URL to your shop. So all you have to do is copy that URL, go over to your shop and paste in the URL, right? And that's going to basically be your way of submitting and proving to us, because then I can actually go ahead and check your shops out, right? So if you've got any skills, and you can basically link to external services, external websites, all that kind of stuff. So absolutely fun stuff coming. And if you go ahead and, do some awesome homework, we're going to shout you out, give you 10 bonus points for your homework submissions. And if you register with Sanity and thirdweb, the links are in the description. If you register with them today, you get 10 bonus points. So I'm making everyone who registers in day 1 is going to go ahead and get immediate 10 bonus points. So I'm literally calculating that by the end of today. So make sure you do it, right? If you go into that link right now and do it, I'm going to contact the guys, get the links of the list of people who signed up today to Sanity and thirdweb, and I'm going to basically go ahead and get those people awarded 10 bonus points. Trust me, it's a mission to calculate this stuff, but me and Jay stay up and do it for you guys. So the prizes you can win in this challenge: first place wins a diamond mentorship experience worth £3,500 plus $500 in cash. Pretty sick. And then second place, 3 winners of the platinum memberships, right? So that's worth $1,500 each. And we're going to go ahead and give that away to the absolutely top 3 members. We've got so many winners already, right? Luis Perez says, what if you already have an account? Make sure then when you basically initialize and set up with Sanity, you use my coupon, which I'll show you how to do, okay? Make sure you do that, okay? So don't stress. If you've already got one, it's all good. But Clouch, but bro, you can get away with Clouch. Go to Clouch. You haven't got an account with Clouch or a shop with Clouch. Register the shop with Clouch and you can do it. Third place, 10 winners are going to get, the sort of runner-ups are going to get 50% off coupons for platinum membership in 0 to Full Stack Hero. It's going to be a hell of a lot of fun, guys. Really, really is going to be fun. So remember, all participants sign up to the Papa Fam Facebook group, and you will be able to see inside a button called guides, and here you'll have all your homework submission links. In addition, they are below the YouTube video, so you're going to see them there as well. Now, this is what I was talking about. In the homework submission form, you're actually going to go ahead, and I'll show you guys for yourselves. You're going to get this page right here. So at the top of the page, you're going to get the portfolio resume GitHub starter pack. So here you can actually get access to the resume. Here you're going to get a guide on how to set up your MetaMask wallet, and here you're going to get a guide on how to add the RinkB test network. They're extremely fast. So literally these 3 dots are your go-to, right? This is your homework for day 1. So make sure you get this done. And then you scroll down, you go to your submission. You simply put in your name, you put in your email. I'm going to show you how to deploy your resume in just a second. And then you need to paste in your MetaMask wallet. The way you do it is you go up here, open your MetaMask, click on copy to clipboard, go down here and simply paste it in. That will be your MetaMask address, okay? The final thing is the Clouch shop link. So if you go ahead and click this link right here, it will take you over to Clouch where you can go ahead and create your first Clouch shop. Now, once you do this, here you can see it says custom shop link. So if you go ahead and put in your shop link, once you've created your shop, just simply paste your URL and send it my way. So if I go over to an example shop, oh, nice. We've already got some shops popping up. This is amazing, guys. Check this out. This is sick. Oh, Adil, I hope you're seeing this, dude. If we go to shop now, you want to go ahead, grab this link, paste it into the NFT homework section, just like that. Right? So that's how you want to do it. And then you want to click on fully complete if you did all the steps, partially complete if you weren't able to, right? So that's going to be your homework for today, right? So that's going to be basically your tasks. Remember, I broke down the points, just simply rewind. And something that you're all going to need to do is sign up for the grand finale. So we're just starting the challenge now. So you've registered. Well done. Sign up for the grand finale. The link will be in the description. Jay will be sending it out. We just hit 400 likes. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, right? Sign up to that final day. There's going to be the link flying around all kinds of places, and it's going to be in the description. The reason why you need to do that is it allows me to basically put you on a list so I can send you the ebooks. I can send you the cryptocurrency link if you haven't already signed up to Clouch. Remember, you get 1600 CLX for free if you sign up to Clouch. And I'm going to teach you the biggest ever training on that day, right? So this is all going to kick off on April 3rd, grand finale, right? So I want you guys to do it. Now, can you do better this challenge? If you've been here before, I want to see you guys show up, do the best you've ever done, make some amazing NFT drops, right? I want you guys to absolutely take it to a whole another level. So now what we're going to do is we're going to design and host a digital portfolio and set up your MetaMask wallet address. So that way you're ready for day 2 of the challenge, right? So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to the description, and inside the description, you would have seen the homework link. So if you scroll down into the description, you'll see a homework link. There, what you can do is it'll take you to this page, papareact.com/NFT challenge day 1 homework. And then you're basically going to click the top link here. So what this will do is it will take you over to the portfolio GitHub starter pack. Now, what you want to do is basically, this is the code for the digital resume. So you can check out a live demo if you want. But what you want to do essentially is go over here and copy this line of code right here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to open up something called a terminal. And inside your terminal, what you want to do is you want to basically, so on Windows, you might be using, you know, whatever you're using. I'm using a terminal for Mac. You're basically going to go ahead and type in git clone and paste it in. And what this will do is it will clone the folder onto your machine. So what this will now do is if I type in cd resume and I hit tab, you can see if I hit enter now, I'm inside of that. Okay, so what I just did there was I pulled in this code over here onto my computer, and then I've gone into that folder. Now that I'm inside that folder, what I want to do is I can type in code dot. I would highly recommend at this point, guys, that you download VS Code, right? If you couldn't do code dot, simply open up VS Code, go to open folder, and then find the folder that you're looking for. So resume, portfolio, starter pack, and hit open. Okay, so at this point, you'll have this in front of you. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and press Command J. This is going to pull up your terminal. Now here you want to do npm install. What this will do is that this resume has lots of basically dependencies where essentially what we're doing is we're pulling in a bunch of code sort of sources from loads of these little kind of repos, right? So imagine it like that, right? We're basically pulling in code from all these different modules. And what we're doing here is we're installing the required code to get this resume up and running. We call that like npm install, right? That's the step where we basically install the dependencies into our project. While that's happening, I can go into public, and you don't have to mess with anything else. You feel free to customize it. This is why it's a challenge, right? But what you want to do is go to resume data.json. I've made it so easy for you guys to go ahead and kickstart this off, right? So what you want to do now, you won't get this error. This is because I've done it, all right? So let's just wait until that loads. But what you want to do here is essentially this is going to include all of the details about what's going to show up on the resume, okay? So here you can see it's done. I'm going to type in npm start. All these instructions can be found on this screen as well. npm install, npm start, and so forth. Now, once this is done, yours will work and it will run off something called localhost 3000. I actually have an app running, so I'm going to open it up on a different port. Oh, Emmanuel Lopez with a $20 donation. Thank you for the amazing content. Your channel has helped me level up my skills and allowed me to land a job as a developer. Keep up the amazing work. You're crushing it. Long live the Papa fam. Emmanuel Lopez, I'm going to pull that on the screen right now because damn, dude, that is inspirational. Thank you so much for sharing that, dude. Check this out, guys. Thank you for the amazing content. Thank you, dude, for that donation. That means everything. I appreciate that. And well done on getting your job. This is what the Papa Fam's about. Literally, you guys are experiencing the positivity in this community as we go ahead. So thank you, dude. I appreciate that. Right. So I'm Sunny Sanga here. Saurabh says, provide the link. It's the first link in the description, dude. It's there, the homework link. Right. So this is what will load up. Okay. So once you see this, I'm going to go ahead and pull this on the side. Command B to hide this, Command J to hide the terminal. So as you can see, if I change this to say Elon Musk and I hit save, right? Now you'll see it will say I'm Elon Musk, right? So all you need to do now is go through this file and update it with all of your details, right? Change the pictures, change the links, change all this kind of stuff and make it your own portfolio. So right now they're going to say CEO of Tesla, right? So I'm Elon Musk, based in London, leave it as that. CEO of Tesla, I can eat, sleep, and breathe React, okay? All right, imagine I customized all of this. Now what we're gonna do is Command J. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this by pressing Control C, and that basically will no longer be running, okay? Control C. Now what I need to do, and all of these instructions, as I mentioned before, are available in the GitHub repo down here, right? Fill in your personal info. That's what we just did. Optional, replacing images and or fonts. You can do that if you want to. That's an extra step. And then we're gonna go ahead and finalize and run build, right? So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna type in npm run build. If you get stuck at any point, remember, join the Facebook group, join the Discord community, join any of these communities. We're here to help you. This is what it's about. It's not about coding by yourself. It's about being a part of a community where you never get stuck, right? This is what the Papa Fam was built for, right? So at this point, this is going to build a nice little deployment folder. So as you can see now, I have a nice little build folder. I'm going to right click this and I'm going to click reveal in Finder. As you can see, I can now see the build folder. Okay. So what I'm now going to do, guys, is I'm going to take this build folder and I'm basically going to go ahead and go click this Netlify button. This will take me over to Netlify, the website. I'm going to log in, right? So once you log into the platform, it's actually free to log in. So you can go ahead and either log in with GitHub or your email address. I've actually logged in with an email address. You're going to click the Sites tab at the top. Once you click Sites, you're going to see this page right here. And as you can see here, want to deploy a site without connecting to Git, drag and drop your site output folder here. So all you need to do at this point, get the build folder and literally drag it into here. As you can see now, it says uploading. Site has not yet been deployed, but give it a second, right? Give it a second and wait for it. Bam, just like that. We have a deployed website that everyone can literally go ahead and check out right now. So I'm going to literally throw that into the chat right now. Bam, bam, done. Okay. So as you can see there, we've literally got it. I've just chucked it in the chat as well. So you guys can see that, right? There's literally up and running. So Lucent, Puff, C7 Netlify app, right? Mr. Nobody says, I love Versal instead. We're going to be using Versal for the main app. This is for your portfolio homework, right? So this is literally for Netlify, but day 2 onwards, we're going to be using Versal. This is just for your resume, guys. Don't stress. We're going to be using Versal for the main thing. Okay. But here you can see this is live, right? So now what you can do is you can put this on your resume, portfolio, whatever it is, show an employer, and then you can literally do your thing. So that's given to you for free. Feel free to enjoy that. And once you've got that link, I want you to copy it, go to the homework tab. So inside your homework list over here, and put that link inside the submission. Okay. So over here, deployed personalized resume, boom, just like that. So that's basically your homework, right? So you need to make it cool, set it up, customize it, all that kind of stuff, right? So you guys can host it however you want. I just need a URL so I can check out your website, okay? So whatever you want to do, I just need a URL that you can go ahead and do. So enter your name, email, personalized resume, and MetaMask Wallet address, right? And basically now what we're going to do is quickly show you how to set up your MetaMask Wallet address. Click that button. It will take you to an article. This article literally breaks down the entire step. What you're going to have to do is add on, basically create an add on an extension which gives you MetaMask, right? Now, as you can see, initially you're going to have something called the Ethereum mainnet. That's basically Ethereum on the actual real blockchain network, okay? What we need to do is once we set up our MetaMask, and when you are setting up your MetaMask, you're going to get something called these safe words, right? This ain't mine. This is just some random one. Do not skip this step, right? Write these down and keep them somewhere extremely safe. If you ever lose your password, this is your only way of getting your wallet back, right? So if you end up having real money in here, this is literally going to be lost if you lose this and you end up like losing access to this, right? So don't lose this, right? So take note of these. Now, once that's done, you're going to be pretty good to go, right? So what you want to do after that is go over to the second link, right? So you can paste in your MetaMask address. Once you've done that, you'll basically get to this screen. You can click the copy, paste it in. But now to prepare for the rest of the challenge, you're going to click on set up a Rinkeby test network. You're going to click on this and this will take you to another website, right? So what this is going to do here is basically you're going to click on choose a network to join to. Now here you can basically select a network. So here I can basically go ahead and say Rinkeby, and this will pop up. And if I click OK, what it would have actually done is at the top here, I can click connect my wallet. And this would have gone ahead and connected it. So I've already gone ahead and done this step, but you can actually do it. And what this will do is it will pop up saying it would like to add in Rinkeby to your wallet. And you simply click OK, and that's it. You'll have Rinkeby test network in there. I can maybe try and demo it with something else. If I go ahead and do something like AquaChain, if I go ahead and click AquaChain, you can see connect your, okay, leave that one. Yeah, but here you go. Yeah, it pops up. Allow this site to add a network. So you basically click approve. So you want to do that, but you want to do it instead for the Rinkeby testnet, Ethereum testnet Rinkeby. This will allow you to test the things that we're going to do tomorrow and on the rest of the days in the right fashion on the test networks, okay? Remember, you don't have to use any real money in this challenge. You can get all of this for free inside of this this build, right? So one thing you can do as an extra add-on, if you really want, is you can go ahead and type in Ethereum file set. So Ethereum full set, like so, and you can go ahead and actually top up your where is it gone? Not this one. I'll show you that in the next day. I'll put in the homework links, make it super easy. I'll get you guys sorted for that. But basically, that's your homework done, right? So that's basically what you need to do. So full name, email, link to your deployed resume, MetaMask Wallet, and remember your Clouch shop link. This gives you 10 bonus points. I cannot stress enough, okay? I cannot stress enough. This is going to be huge. Yeah. absolutely massive stuff. And if you really want to, feel free to donate to my my Ethereum address. Go for it. All right. Okay, but this is awesome. And guys, make sure, if you haven't already, follow all of these steps. Register to the NFT drop challenge and like the YouTube video because that helps it get out. Register for the final day reveal. So you want to click on the Crowdcast link, go over there, register. That's the final event, the big event day. And then you want to go ahead, join the Facebook group, join the Discord server, and go ahead and follow me and repost on Instagram. Okay, so that way I can go ahead and see who's engaging, see who's active. We take all of this into consideration when we select a winner. With that said, guys, we're come to an end. This is day one. I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick run through of what we're going to be building in day 2, 3, and 4. All right, remember I said we're going to literally be building the PapaFam NFT marketplace. We're going to click on this. We're going to see our lovely, beautiful application. And as you can see, it's fully responsive. And this is going to load up the supply count from our thirdweb dashboard. So this is pulling in the supply count, and it should be able to basically pull in the information and say, hey, you've got 13 of 21 NFTs claimed. You can go ahead and mint one. You can buy an NFT, and then you can go ahead and check it out and flex on OpenSea. So this is going to be massive. This is going to be one of our biggest challenges we've ever done. It's touching the Web3 space. Your boy's always trying to stay ahead of the grind, so make sure you guys follow along with this challenge. It's going to be the start of something amazing, because all of my videos coming after this challenge are going to be incredible towards Web3. I'm going to be pushing so hard on Web3. We've got Sanity CMS, which is powering our apps up. We've got thirdweb, which is making Web3 development a breeze. We're actually working with the developers. We're going to do so much cool stuff on the way. Make sure you guys sign up. Make sure you guys smash the like button. And if you've enjoyed this right now, I'm going to go ahead and end this one on a big one. As I said before, I don't think we've left anything out. This is day one. This is the finish to day one. Make sure you go ahead, set your reminders for tomorrow for day 2. Get your homework submissions in. This is your boy Papa React, and day 1 was an absolute banger, right? We have literally got over 2,500 people have signed up now. I just checked the number. 2,500 people have signed up to this challenge. We have 300 people right now on YouTube. We have literally a few other hundred on different platforms. This is incredible, right? This is absolutely incredible. I'll be answering any questions on Facebook, on Discord, so join the groups. Make sure you get involved in this challenge. Join Clouch. Join the PapaFam group on Clouch as well. We've got over 6,000 members over there. I'll be checking across all platforms for the next 5 days. This is your boy, Papa React, and signing out for day 1. I'll see you all same time tomorrow for day 2. Let's go ahead and break into Web3 with a bang. Thank you so much for turning up, guys. I'm going to wrap it off with you guys with the app. Oscar says, I think this is recorded. There you go. It's not recorded. Thank you, guys. I'll see you on day 2. Peace.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us in